Lionesses. So far from being faithful to the male in their pride, they are out at dawn having sex with lots of different other males in the area. But there is a good reason for that. And could you explain that?
Yeah, so one of the kind of really sort of sticky myths about females is that they're chaste, they're seeking chastity, and males are the promiscuous sex. And it was Sarah Blaffer Hrdy, who's a brilliant American scientist who studied at Harvard in the 1970s, and she was the one who overturned this idea. And she wasn't studying lions, but it's the same principle. She was actually studying langurs, which are a type of monkey in India. And she'd gone out there to investigate infanticide, which you also find in lions, where the males, when they move into a new territory, they'll kill the pups or the babies of the females that are resident. And she was the first person to investigate this, and she figured out that this was a sexual strategy by males, in that if you move into a new territory, you want to mate with those females pretty soon, and so you want them to be in estrus, you want them to be fertile. But if they're nursing babies, they're not fertile. So, but if you kill the babies, it'll force them into their fertility. And then you don't have to wait, and you're not going to be providing for another male's offspring. And, you get to her to father yours instead. So, now females, of course, they don't want that to happen. So their counter strategy is to mate with males outside of the group, because that way a male is less likely to kill offspring if there's a chance that they're theirs. So a male might remember if he had mated with that female, and if he had, he wouldn't kill the babies because there was a chance that they would be hers.